come with us to... What beach we're going to, Camille? We're on our way. We're trying to find a beach to get a little dip. So, yeah, come with us to beach. And there's my sister there. There. And see my husband in the background. Husband?
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
Sun hot though?
It's alright.
It's alright. Sure. This plant is absolutely beautiful. You know, the ChatGPT. It looks like pepper.
ChatGPT and Intelli.
Anybody know what this is? What plant this is? Blueprint of our journey. Yes. Another day. Let's try to see if we can choke off in a bit water. Over here. And we're here in Upper Beach. On our way down. Nice little sea, sandy beach. Yeah. Ooh la la. Nice. Kaya to. Whew. And we are here backside. We're full, we cock. It's a video. And we're here. Woo. And this is the crew. Everybody who's here. Everybody who's here.
It's not far. It's like I want it. Where's Kira? I think she's in the sea. I don't know. She's right now. Where have you been?
Smile, guys. You're on camera.
Yeah, you are. You ain't even discreet yet, babe. Just wait for discreet.
For today, I want to day where you live. Kilo bit.
It's on the correct.
The moment I've been waiting for. That is it. I've been waiting for this. Yeah.